Hey, welcome to Tech Vibes. Today, I will show you how to fix a laptop that shuts down immediately after power on. Stay tuned because this solution is 100% working and easy to follow. First, understand why this problem happens. Most laptops shut down instantly due to power issues, faulty battery, overheating, RAM problems, or motherboard faults. I will guide you step by step like a technician, so you can fix it safely at home. Step 1. Check power supply. Make sure your laptop charger is working properly. Use the original charger with correct voltage. If the charger is damaged, the laptop will not get proper power. Try another compatible charger and see if it powers on. Step 2. Remove battery and test. If your laptop has a removable battery, take it out. Then, connect only the charger and try to power on. Sometimes, a faulty battery can cause immediate shutdown. If it works without the battery, replace the battery. Step 3. Reset power. Unplug the charger, remove the battery, and hold the power button for 20 seconds. This will drain residual power from capacitors. Then, reconnect the charger and try turning on the laptop again. Step 4. Check RAM modules. Turn off the laptop and remove the RAM sticks. Clean the RAM contacts with a soft, dry cloth. Insert one stick at a time and try powering on. Sometimes, bad RAM or improper seating causes instant shutdown. Step 5. Overheating or cooling issue. Dust inside the cooling fan or heatsink can trigger automatic shutdown. Open the laptop carefully, clean the fan and vents, and apply new thermal paste to the processor if needed. Overheating sensors can cause immediate power off. Step 6. Motherboard or short circuit. If none of the above works, a motherboard issue or short circuit may be the reason. This requires professional repair. Avoid using the laptop further to prevent permanent damage. Step 7. Final test. After performing these steps, try powering on your laptop. If it stays on, congratulations. Your problem is solved. If not, professional service is required. That's it from Tech Vibes. Follow these steps carefully, and your laptop shutting down immediately after power on will be fixed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech solutions.